Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this Goan Fish Curry Masala. You can also use this masala for making prawns curry. So now let's begin. First take a mixer jar, add 3 garlic cloves, add 3 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 6 Goan dry red chilies, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 3 tablespoon dry coriander seeds, 2 centimeters round tamarind soaked in water, add 170 grams of fresh grated coconut. Then add 1 cup water, add more if required. Then blend this to a paste. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Then blend this to a fine paste. So there you have it, the Goan Fish Curry Masala is ready. So you can use any of your favorite fish and use this masala to make a nice and delicious curry. Thanks for watching, bye.